my brothers and sisters in the Alpha Kaparo, maradzaw na adlaw and happy 52nd founding anniversary. 52 years, 52 anyos, 5 dekada of brotherhood, sisterhood, and service that time have changed countless lives, including mine. Today, I speak to you not as the city mayor of Surigao, but as your brother, a fellow Skeptron, a proud product of this great fraternity. Alpha Kaparo has been one of the strongest pillars of my journey. From the moment I joined, I felt the warmth of a family, the discipline of a movement, and the strength of a purpose greater than myself. As I walked the path of public service, it was your support, your faith in me that reminded me why I do what I do. In every challenge I faced, in every decision I made in our city, I knew I was never alone because behind me stood brothers and sisters who believed in me, who prayed for my success, who showed up not for recognition but because of love and service to the fraternity. I want to take this moment to thank all of you, my brothers and sisters, for the unwavering support you have given me and our city throughout the years. Your presence in our city's activities, your volunteerism, and your courage during the challenges times speak volumes about our shared commitment to serve. And for that I say, Salamat Karadzaw. Today, as we mark this 52-year legacy, let us be reminded, Alpha Kaparo is not just about loyalty to one another. It's about loyalty to our fraternity and to the community. It's about the courage to lead. It's about service that expects nothing in return. May we continue to be the living examples of Vincit Omnia Veritas. The truth conquers all. Let us continue inspiring the world by being champions of peace, defenders of the vulnerable, and the source of light and hope in every corner of our communities. My beloved Skeptrons, this anniversary is not just a celebration of the past, it's a call to rise, to unite, and to serve more boldly in the years ahead. Once a Skeptron, always a Skeptron. Happy 52nd founding anniversary. Mabuhay ang Alpha Kaparo, mabuhay ang Surigao. Long live Alpha Kaparo.